Hi, I'm Lady Trample from Team Antik, and today we're going to be working on the barrel roll. So I consider this a beginner level trick because it's going to be something that you can work on inside the transition and then you can build up as you progress. The goal is to skate towards the transition, and then whichever direction you decide to open, you're going to leave your leading leg down, open your body, and roll around. And the very first time you try it, don't worry about making the rotation happen on the transition. Just getting used to opening into and skating around to then try to rotate out backwards, that's the initial goal. So I'm going to skate to wherever I want my turning point to be, leave my outside leg down, open my hips, using my steering wheel, my upper body, rotate the turn, and roll out nice and controlled. As you start to get more confident, you're going to try and make that rotation and the full 360 actually occur on the transition. Keeping that leg down, opening up, but you can see I still have the rotation and the majority of it happening at the end. So my next goal is to tighten it up by making the rotation happen up on the transition. This is where my steering wheel really comes into play. So I'm going to be really conscious about adding a little bit more energy, a little bit more speed, and when I'm ready to rotate, I'm going to turn my upper body nice and sharp, nice and quick, and that should make the rotation happen up the transition.